They had been very good friends since grade 7.
A young love torn apart. Lori Dennison's daughter lost her boyfriend Devin Selvey after he was fatally stabbed last year.
It's an everyday battle for her.
The pain growing deeper now that the suspect's preliminary hearing has been pushed back. Dennison fears even more holdups from the pandemic.
Delaying this even further, it just prolongs the trauma for everybody involved.
The case is one of tens of thousands postponed across the country, stuck in a major backlog compounded by COVID-19 disruptions. Now the race is on to hear trials on time before a deadline set by the Supreme Court of Canada sees charges thrown out.
If we get to a situation where we need to legislate, we'll consider it.
The federal justice minister says the pandemic is exactly the kind of exceptional circumstance the court built into its ruling to allow cases to proceed past the timeline, and he's willing to put that into law. But one of the defense lawyers involved in the precedent-setting case says that doesn't address the real problem.
To come in and legislate an interpretation of a Supreme Court of Canada decision is a bit silly.
He says the provincial and federal governments still have an obligation under Jordan to ramp up resources to get trials moving again. If they don't,
then at that point, it might become a Jordan-type issue,
creating a domino effect across the system.
Justice is delayed, justice is denied.
Civil trials, like the one over Prashant Tiwari's death in hospital, keep getting rescheduled to accommodate criminal cases due to the Jordan ruling.
You want to trust in the system, but in a case where we've already been betrayed by a system, it feels like it gets harder and harder.
With the clock ticking on all cases, justice remains uncertain. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Ottawa.